Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to request a credit limit increase on Wells Fargo. So let's get straight into it. It's going to be a really quick video. First up, what you want to do is to sign into your account. Now you can do that online by going to the website, or you can do that by signing into the mobile app if you have it on your phone. So once you sign into your account, you just want to click on credit cards, and then you're going to select the credit card, and then next you're going to click on request a credit limit increase. So after you click on the credit card that you want to request a limit for, you're just going to click on request a credit limit increase. And next you want to enter the requested credit limit and your income information. Next, you want to review and confirm the credit limit increase request, and just wait for Wells Fargo to review and respond to that request. And once they do, you can review and understand the credit limit increase terms and conditions. And if you have any other further questions or inquiries, you can just contact Wells Fargo's customer support, and they're gonna help you to sort that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request a credit limit increase with Wells Fargo. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.